Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi friends, today we're going to practice English for a very useful situation.
Yes, we're talking about the airport. That's right. We'll learn how to check in, ask about flights, and go through security.
Traveling can be stressful, but if you know the right English words, it's much easier.
So let's get started.
Excuse me, where is the check-in counter for Flight 305? It's right over there, sir. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Do you have any bags to check in?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Great. Please put it on the scale. Okay, it's not overweight. Here's your boarding pass.
Thank you very much. What time does boarding start?
Boarding starts at 6:15 at gate 12.
Perfect. Thanks for your help.
That was a typical check-in conversation. Let's break it down. The passenger asked, "Where is the check-in counter for Flight 305?
You can change the flight number. For example, where is the check-in counter for Flight 22?
Next, the staff said, "May I see your passport and ticket, please?" This is very common.
You can also hear, "Can I see your ID?" or "Can I have your documents?"
Then, "Do you have any bags to check in?" That means, "Do you want to put luggage in the airplane storage?"
If you only have a backpack, you can say, "No, just a carry-on."
Good evening. Please place your bag on the conveyor belt.
Sure. Do I need to take off my shoes?
Yes, please. And also remove your laptop from the bag.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you. Please walk through the scanner. All good. Have a nice flight.
Thank you. Imagine you're lost in the airport. What can you ask?
You can say, "Excuse me, where is gate 12?
Or, "Excuse me, what time does Flight 305 leave?"
Another useful one. Is my flight on time or is it delayed? Today, we learned how to ask for the check-in counter, show passport and ticket, check in bags, ask about gates and boarding times, go through security.
Very useful for travelers.
That's all for today's lesson on Airport English.
Next time you travel, you'll feel more confident.
Keep practicing these phrases and you'll sound natural at the airport.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more English lessons.
See you next time. Bye.